Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a tourist visa to travel to Lesotho. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, we like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, the very first thing that comes in your mind or in anyone's mind before applying a visa to any country, that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even on the combination of other visas that you may have, you may not need a visa. So that is very important. You need to check, and once you have determined, then always look the up the requirements as per the embassy, consulate, or whatever official entity that covers your region. So, for example, let's say you want to travel to Lesotho, an African country. So, they used to have an e-visa system. But if you see on this official Ministry of Home Affairs site, this has been suspended. So what is the option? Like how you can get a visa if you determine you really have to. I'm gonna show you that. So what I did, I sent an email to this um, account, that government account, and I'm gonna show you the response that I have got. This is the response I have got, like the checklist for tourist visa, complete application form. I'll show you that also later. Application letter from applicant, flight itinerary or South Africa visa if entering by land. Okay. Passport copy, confirmation of hotel booking, 3 months bank statement or valid credit debit card statement, traveling plan arrangement, medical insurance, medical report. Now you need to send it to them, okay, through the email. And if the application is successful, a visa on arrival letter be issued and sent to you. And this is going to be valid for 20 days from the date of issue. So it will be allowed entry to Lesotho using these bridges or international airport. You'll be required to report to immigration department at the ministry within 72 hours for payment and endorsement of the actual visa in the passport. The cost they have given, and they have given the timing also. So it's pretty simple general requirements. Now I'm going to show you the application form that they had sent me. Now this form is pretty simple. Here you have to fill surname, given name, nationality, present address, national identity card, marital status, country of birth, date of birth, gender. Very simple. Passport number, date of issue, I mean passport details that you need, profession, occupation, applicant, internet, duration of stay, date of travel, means of transport, flight number, reason for visit. If you are joining a family member, you need to provide that details, where you are gonna stay. Okay, have you ever been there? So provide the details. And 5 years, like any other country, if you have lived. Okay, how much money you have, very simple questions, date, signature, and other steps I have already shown. So basically, just to summarize, collect those documents as they have given, send it to them. If they issue you the letter, that's valid for 21 days. You can enter. Once you enter, you have to pay the fee, and then they will endorse the visa on your passport. That's how it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about this. Thanks for watching.